Okay, good morning to everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Are you listening? My voice? Is it audible to you all? Okay. Now, till now, we have completed real numbers and second chapter polynomials. Those classworks everyone should complete. I have completed second worksheet and third worksheet also. Till who are not completed second worksheet, third worksheet, you have to complete. Understand? Now, the next topic is pair of linear equation variables. Okay. Pair of linear equation two variables. Okay. Yes. What is meant by equation? Is it visible or not? The screen I shared.
Sir.
Screen I shared.
Yes, sir.
Everyone. Okay. What is meant by an equation? Tell me, anyone. Tell me, anyone. What is meant by an equation? Equation means. Anyone? What is meant by an equation means what? What is meant by an equation? Equation means what? No one. Is it audible to you all? Yes. Is it audible to you all? Everyone.
Yes, sir.
What is meant by equation? Tell me. Equation means what? Equation means a statement having equality sign. A numerical expression having equality sign. What is meant by linear equation? What is meant by linear equation? What is meant by a linear equation? Tell me.
A straight line plotted, sir.
What?
It give a straight line plotted on graph.
Linear equation means an equation having the degree of the equation having 1 degree of an equation. Power of the variable is 1. Power of the variable is 1 is called a linear equation. Now, you know pair of linear equation, two variables. Linear equation, one variable means the general form of linear equation, one variable is ax plus b equals 0. This is the general form of linear equation, one variable. This is the general form of linear equation, one variable, that is ax plus
One
b
variable.
equal to 0. Next, linear equation two variables means the general form of linear equation two variables means what? Tell me, anyone.
Ax plus by plus c.
Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Equal to 0, I have to say. Where a and b are real numbers. Example, display as you see. And 3x plus 4y equal to 20. It is the linear equation. It's an example for a linear equation.
Equation.
Yes. Now
Sir.
our chapter is pair of linear equation two variables. That means we can take two equations. Pair of linear equation two variables means you have to take two equations. 2x plus 3y equal to 5. X minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Is one equation. 2x plus 3y equal to 0. And another equation is x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. These are the examples for pair of two variables. Okay. Okay. Understand? Don't draw anything. Don't do anything. Okay. And now the general form of Why you raise your hand, Amma Charita? Sresh Charita? Why you raise your hand? What do you want?
Sir, your voice is not at all clear.
That's why if you mute, then I can. My voice is clear. All should
No,
mute.
sir, all.
Mute. Keep mute all.
Sir,
Okay, I'm doing. I'm muting all. Once see.
All of you go for unmute, otherwise will we get clear. Let the mute option, sir. Hanmantra, sir.
Mute option లేదా mute all.
फोन खड़ा करने का बट
ఇప్పుడు ఒకటే ఉంది హిందీకి మేడం తీసుకుంటారు మరి తెలుగు తీసుకోవాలి
Actually, laptop మనకి రూమ్ వరకే
50% हो गया है
మొబైల్ మూమెంట్ అలాగే ట్రై చేయొచ్చు. ఇలా PDF ఫార్మాట్స్ లో మనం డేటా మొత్తం కరెక్ట్ పెట్టుకున్నాం అనుకో ఇంట్లో కూడా
अभी 4 सब्जेक्ट है
అక్కడి నుంచి మీరు వాయిస్ ఓవర్ ఇస్తారు
Okay. Okay, now it is easy to audible to you, everyone. Now is it audible to you all?
yes, sir.
Yes. Now we are going to explain that pair of linear equation in two variables. The examples are here. I there see plus 3y plus 5 equal to 5 and x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Now the general form of linear equation two variables is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a and b are not both 0 is called a linear equation in two variables x and y. We often denote a and b both are not both zeros by a square plus b square is not equal to 0 as there. Both a and b is not equal to 0. Then there is no value. That's why a and b is not equal to 0 also. You can see the condition. It is a general form of linear equation in two variables. Yes. Okay. Now, geometrically already you learned in 9th class how to represent a linear equation. What do you get? If you draw the graph, linear equation two variables, what do you get graph? All are listening?
सर
Yes. Every solution of equation is a point and it will represent a line. Okay. On the line, every point is a solution of the equation. To draw the linear equation two variables means we have to draw the, if you draw the graph, you get a straight line. On the straight line, every point represents the solution of the equation. Understand? Already we did in 9th class how to draw the graph of linear equation in two variables. You get a straight line. Okay? Understand? Now, especially in 10th class, we are going to learn the pair of linear equation in two variables. The general form of pair of linear equation two variables x and y is, pair means two linear equations, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, where a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2 are real numbers, and generally a1 square plus b1 square is not equal to 0, a2 square plus b2 square is not equal to 0. Now we have examples down. 2x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0 and 9x minus 2y plus 8 equal to 0. Those are the examples for a linear equation in two variables. Now what you are doing means how to solve the linear equation two variables. We have two methods. One is geometrical method and another one is algebraic method. Already you learn in 9th class how to draw graphically a pair of linear equation two variables. You get a straight line like that. Here we have to draw for first equation. You get one straight line, that is means 2x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. If you draw, you get a one straight line, and another equation 9x minus 2y plus 8 equal to 0. If you draw another equation, two equations you can draw. How to draw, you know. For drawing, what you have to tell me, anyone? Anyone can explain? Unmute your audio and give the answer. Anyone? Huh? Is it audible? My voice, everyone? What?
Yes, sir.
Tell me how to draw a graph for a equation two variables. What do you have to do? To draw the graph linear equation two variables, what do you have to do? Learn in 9th class. What do you have to do? First, we have to find out the solutions. Minimum 3 solutions you have to find out. You have to give values for x and we find values for y, such that we can find 3 solutions, and minimum 3 solutions you have to find. To plot those 3 points on the graph, you get a straight line. Okay, for one equation, you have to draw the straight line. 2x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. Suppose if you take that equation, if you draw the graph, you get a straight line. Like that, you can take another equation, that is 9x minus 2y plus 8 equal to 0. There is another equation. For that also, we have to draw the graph. Then you have two lines. What happens, two lines? Either they intersect at one point. See, down you given, see on the screen. The two lines will intersect at one point, or the two lines will not intersect. That is means, if they not intersect, what you can say? They are parallel. The two lines will be coincident, means they overlap each other. Like that, the two lines will be coincide. Like that, three cases will happen. Okay, if you draw the graph of pair of linear equation two variables, means two equations you will draw. For first equation, you get a straight line. A second equation, you get straight line. Two lines you can draw on the graph on the same axis, same pace, same speed. Admitting two are there, Anna. Okay.
Yes, sir.
First, everyone should come early. You have to join early because.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
now,
sir.
the two lines will intersect at one point. The two lines will not intersect. That means they are parallel. The two lines will coincide. Okay. These are all the three possibles will be there. That means first possible is they intersect. Second one is they are parallel. Third one is they are coincident. Understand? Is it audible, my voice?
Yes, sir.
Unmute and give the answer. At least one should answer, then I will continue. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now mute all and listen.
Yes, sir.
If you draw the graph of pair of linear equation two variables, means if two graphs on the same graph sheet, then you get two lines. Those two lines, either they intersect at one point, they will not intersect, means they are parallel. Otherwise, they will be coincide. These are the three cases. They intersect, they are parallel, they are coincident. Now, we can say that like this. If you draw the graph, first A is C, intersect lines, B is C, See, coincident lines like this, it happened on the graph sheet. These are representing pair of linear equations. Go hand in hand in the algebraic way. Geometry. This is called in a geometrical way. We can draw graphically like this. We can solve the pair of linear equations in two ways: geometrically, algebraically. Now we explain geometrically. To draw the graph, we have three cases, three possible cases. One is intersecting in A bit, in A part is C. In A, they are intersecting. B, they are parallel. C, they are coincident. So, here we can see one example. We are taking the first example is x minus 2y equal to 0. It is the one equation. Another equation is 3x plus 4y equal to 20. These are the two equations. For that, we have to find the solution. Here he did only two solutions. In second case, he did three solutions. For those equations, you have to find the solutions. I told already in 9th class how to find solutions. You give values for x, you can find values for y. Like that, you have to find three solutions. The equation x minus 2y equal to 0, 3x plus 4y equal to 20. Now what you will do at home means, today at home, you draw the graph x minus 2y equal to 0. Draw the graph, same graph sheet. Take another equation 3x plus 4y equal to 20. Find the solution and draw the graph. The both graphs, you plot on the graph sheet, then what happens you see. See the graph I am showing. Is it visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Like
sir.
that you also should
Yes,
draw
sir.
at home graph. On the graph sheet, you should draw the two equations.
Yes, sir.
First equation is x minus 2y equal to 0. Second equation is 3x plus 4y equal to 20. Then here you answer, the both equations are meeting at what point you say? Where they are intersecting? Have you seen? Anyone say?
Yes, sir. 4,2. 4,2.
So the solution of the pair of linear two variables is 4, 2. That means x equal to 4 and y equal to 2. Understand?
2.
X equal to 4 and y equal to 2. Now what you will do means at home, you should draw x minus 2y equal to 0 on the same graph, 3x plus 4 equal to 20 also same graph sheet, and where they are intersecting, you identify that is the solution of the pair of linear equation in the two variables. X equal to 4 is the solution and y is equal to 2 is the solution. Tomorrow you have to show to me. Okay, the graph sheet you have to
Yes,
show
sir.
to me.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, I'll check.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, this is a graphical method,
Yes, sir.
representing graphical method, how to solve pair of linear equation, two variables. Solving means what? Finding x and y values only. Understand? So,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
graphical method. Everyone understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is the work you have to do. Time is also going to complete. Attendance now. Okay. Now what you do work means, draw the graph of x minus 2y equal to 0.
Draw the graph.
3x plus 4y equal to 20. Both will intersect at 4, 2. You have to show to me
2.
tomorrow. Understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
This is a homework.
Yes, sir.
Up to what I thought you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes,
Sunday,
sir.
not this Sunday, next Sunday I will conduct exam for previous chapters. Online
Yes,
exam
sir.
I will conduct for previous chapters. Which chapter I will announce on
Yes, sir.
Sunday
Yes, sir.
only. Sunday we have not having class. Sunday we are not having class. This Sunday I will announce which chapter I will conduct test, either real numbers or polynomials I will conduct test. I will announce which conduct
Yes, sir.
test, in which way I will conduct test. In Google Forms only I will conduct maximum. I will announce on Sunday. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next Sunday
sir.
you have a exam. The chapter will announce
Yes,
this
sir.
Sunday. Next Sunday you have the exam. Understand?
Sir.
Online exam only.
We have
MCQs
From
online.
last two chapters, sir.
Yeah. What?
From last two chapters.
Not this week. Next week.
Okay, sir.
What is it, sir?
Coming Sunday I will announce the date. 14th. You have exam on 14th Sunday. You have no classes Sunday. That's why I will conduct exam.
Okay, sir.
Understand?
Yes, can you say?
Today's homework is you have to draw the graph of this one. X minus 2y equal to 0. 3x plus 4y.
Graph.
Both will intersect at 4, 2.
In graph book, sir.
In graph book only, at least page. Graph page you have to show to me. Graph
Yes, sir.
page, at least page you show to me. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Read textbook till what I told. I already shared the screen. That is your textbook only. Once again, go through the textbook, everyone. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
I'm closing. Once I'll take the attendance. Now wait. Once the participants are 22. You open. I'm taking attendance. Wait. Everyone understand who are there? What homework I gave?
Yes, sir.
Manasa, Artika, Kaushik, correct? Kaushik, you have draw the graph. Kaushik. Understand? Okay. Next class is biology. How madam will see? You can ask. Madam will keep. Next class is biology. Now I am going to leave. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Nice
Thank you, sir.
Are you understand? Are you understand the class?
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
How is it?
Nice,
Good, sir.
Good one, na?
Very good, sir.
You can continue like this. Can you continue like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Super,
You should
sir.
unmute your class and you enter everyone in time. Before 5 minutes you have to enter because we have a short time.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm ending the meeting. Next class is biology. Get ready for biology.
sir.
Madam,
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.